Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I'll show you how to do a screenshot on your LG Smart TV. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using the LG Magic Remote or if you're using the standard remote, the function is exactly the same. I'll just start by saying that the screenshot doesn't work on Apple TV or YouTube or Netflix or Amazon. The button you need to press to take a screenshot or screen capture is actually this one here with 3 dots. Now, if I press that now, you'll see we get this app menu with program list, guide, user guide, info, sports, quick help. This menu can change depending on your program. Now, where it does work is on terrestrial TV. And I'm using Freeview, so I'm just going to switch over to that now. Now I'm in Freeview and I'll press the 3 dots here. This time the menu is different. I have a number pad, record, live playback and capture. This is the button we want, so I'll press that now. And a screen capture was taken. And it says at the top there, captured image is added to photo and video app. So what we can do from here is press the home button, scroll along the bottom to the photos and video app, open it up, and we have captured images. If I press that, here we have the snooker game we were just watching. So I hope that helps you out. If it does, let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, let me know there as well, and I will answer. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.